Well, coming to you from my studio, and I just thought I'd let you know I have tested positive for COVID. It's been sick for about a week, and finally went to the doctor this morning and got my positive result. My wife tested. She hadn't been to the doctor, but she tested in a home test today, tested positive. At the doctor, I got a prescription for ivermectin, hydroxychloroquine, and I think it's zithromycin or something like that. So those three things will hopefully put me back on my feet. Hopefully you will understand if I don't put up a video tonight. But let me give you some advice. Find an emergency room or a direct care place that will prescribe something for COVID. Many of them, maybe most of them. A lot of it depends on where you are, what color your state is, our city. But many will not prescribe anything. They just tell you go home. If you can't breathe, go to the hospital, and then we'll toss the dice, see if you're gonna make it. But call around before you get sick. Do that now before you get sick, and find an ER or a direct care or something like that that will actually prescribe drugs that will can keep you from getting worse. Again, I waited about a week. I took a home test. I took a home test the first day I felt bad, and it came back negative, so I really didn't think much about it. I just thought it was the flu or a bad cold or something like that, and that's the symptoms, just a headachy, fever, chills sometimes. Appetite's not great, which is a good thing. But just, achy and just not feeling good at all. But not terrible. There's so many people that are so sick with this thing. I'm not griping at all. But even before you start feeling bad, call around now and find someone in your area that will actually treat COVID. They couldn't tell me which strain I had. I assume it's Omicron simply because it's not deep in my lungs. It's just more of a cold or flu, I guess you'd say. I did test negative for flu A and flu B, but positive for COVID. So just be aware. I'll be back next week for sure. And I've already shot a couple of videos, just hadn't got them out to you yet. So indulge me for not putting out a video about farming tonight. And this will be the last video for this week, all right? Pray for my wife and I that we'll be well. And we'll pray for you that you will stay well. All right? All right. We're gone.